Hey guys, I'm back. I'm sorry it's taken me so long. You know, I am a bit weak on the YouTube. Weak. And yes, I have had and yes, I have had a curly cut. Look how amazing it is. It was done by Beyond Curl. She's from London in Blackheath. Her name is Raquel and she is incredible. She's literally the best. We actually took off quite a lot. It was down here, and then obviously you can see my bangs are nice and big at the front. I like, but I'm not here to talk about that. So, in this video today, I'll be talking to you curlies all about where you can get your curly hair products from. I get a lot of messages on Instagram. People always ask me, oh, where did you get that? Where did you get that? And today on this YouTube video, you will find out. Yay. So let's start online. There's a few places you can buy your hair products online from. I'm going to put all the links down below so you can see them. First up is naturalisticproducts.co.uk. That is a great website. It's got Diva Curl on there, it's got Bounce Curl, it's got As I Am, it's got The Main Choice. It has got so many different products. So that is number one. Number two, we've got Beauty by Zara, another great online store. You can get some of the same products you can on Naturalistic products, and these two are, I would say, are probably the main UK websites that you can get your products from that they sell in America. So these two are great. Number three is My Luxe Beauty. I think it's .co.uk, let me check. No, myluxebeauty.com. That is also another UK online store. Well, I think it is. Yeah, it is. But you can get delivery obviously to here. I don't know what I'm saying. Anyway, yeah, so that store, if you go on their Instagram, I'm sure you can get 10% off your first order. So make sure you check it out. Naturalistic products and Beauty by Zara all are roughly about £3.99 for delivery, and Beauty by Zara is £50. If you spend £50 you get free delivery, and Naturalistic products is £60, you get free delivery. Luxe Beauty is £2.99 for their delivery, so it is a bit cheaper than the other two websites, but Naturalistic products and Beauty by Zara have more of a range of products. They have so many products. I am selling these websites over here. Before I forget, you can also get your products from britishcurlies.co.uk. I haven't actually brought a lot of my products from there, but I've heard it's really good and they have a wide range of products, including quite a few UK brands. So it's definitely worth a shout looking at that too. So other places I get my products from are Superdrug and Boots. Ooh. Now and then I get my products from there, but only if they're on offer. That sounds really stingy, but normally these stores, they normally have 3 for 2, quite a lot on, say, Cantu, Sheer Moisture. So it's definitely worth not buying the products at full price and just wait until you see one of those offers. Ooh, wonky. Ooh. And finally, to finish up, you can also buy some products in your local stores. I'm based in Nottingham, and there is a couple of stores that are around that do sell some of the products that you don't see online. There's one, let me find it quick. So this is the product I was on about. You can't really find this brand online, but this is in my Nottingham store. It's like Talia, I'm not even gonna try and pronounce it. I'm so bad at pronouncing stuff. All my friends always laugh at me. But yeah. Based in Nottingham, there's 2 of these stores. Actually, there's 3 stores. You have the one by, I don't know, I'm telling you this. If you're based in Nottingham, there is 3 stores you can get your curly hair products that might not be in Sheer Moisture, might not be in Superdrug or Boots. You have the one that's near the Soccer Sports, you have the one at the top of town, and you also have the one in the market in the Victoria Centre. But these are great little stores, and they also sell hair extension, wigs. Yeah, they are really good. I also get asked a lot if I buy products from eBay or Amazon. Yes, I have. Just make sure you check before you buy, check the reviews, make sure the products are legit, because you don't want to be getting any knockoff products that you're spending quite a lot of money on. But yeah, I have brought a couple of products online because sometimes the postage is free and I do not want to spend £5 on post and packaging if I can get it for free. What's the point? That's it, I'm done. I really didn't want to make this a long video. I wanted it to be short and sweet. I'm really sorry if I've left any UK online websites out. I'm really sorry. If I have, I will try and find them and put them underneath. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. If I've missed anything, tell me, comment below. And thank you for watching. Bye.